The tools we need for assembly are a Phillips head screwdriver, a 4, 5, and 8mm Allen wrench, a bottom bracket lock ring wrench, a crank puller for a square taper bottom bracket, a bottom bracket wrench for a 16-notch external bearing bottom bracket cup, some snips, and zip ties, and some grease. The first step is to install the mid-drive motor from the drive side and make sure you push it in all the way flush against the frame. Next, we're going to go to the non-drive side. We're going to install the left side plate and put some lubricant on the threads. We're going to twist the screws, which are M5. So you're going to take your 5mm Allen wrench and you're going to screw the screws clockwise, snug. Then you're going to put your lock ring on and you are going to hold the motor in place, lock it down, get it tight with the lock ring wrench. You're going to make sure it's tight. Tighten it clockwise. Ditto with the bottom bracket wrench for the 16-notch external bearing bottom bracket cup. Tighten it clockwise. Make sure it's secure. Then you're going to finish up with the screws and make sure they're tight with a 5mm Allen wrench. Now you're going to install the non-drive side crank arm. You're going to tighten it with the 8mm Allen wrench. Crank it down. And make sure your chainring and adapter plate are as shown with the 2 spacer washers on the inside, so when you put it against the motor it spaces it out, or those 2 washers. Tighten it down with the 4mm Allen wrench, clockwise, 5 screws. Now you're going to put it on the drive side crank arm with the 8mm Allen wrench, tighten it clockwise, crank it down, and your final step is to put on the chain and make sure it works, and you're done.